Hello, hello, welcome back to Cocktail Club. Hello, welcome back to Cocktail Club. I'm Alex, and this is Cocktail Club. Tonight we're going to be making Negronis because it's super hot in London. We're in the middle of a heat wave. I'm not sure when this episode is going to go out. Maybe next week it's going to be raining again. But right now it's gross. When it's been a really hot day, you get that lovely bit in the evening where it's kind of balmy, you can go outside in shorts and t-shirts. This is when that drink is for. It's for after dinner. It's getting late, it's getting dark, it's the middle of summer, and it's quite a strong one, this. It's not old-fashioned strong, it's not zombie strong. It's a short, but it's all booze. You want to start with an old-fashioned or a rocks glass. You just want some ice. I'm going to use a big ice, you could use a few small ices, whatever. And then it's really simple. It's 1, 1, 1. A single of each. You get your gin, your sweet vermouth, and Campari. Don't go putting fancy gin in this because you're not going to taste it. Like, the gin is an addition. A Negroni is essentially an Americano, which was these two with a bit of soda water, and then Count Negroni wanted it to be a bit stronger. So yeah, someone to put a bit of gin in it, and that's what we're going to do. Oh no, let's do it. Let's just make it. Apparently in Italy it's a slice of orange. Most other places it's an expressed peel for the thing. So I'm going to do somewhere in between. I'm just going to cut the cheek off. And we're going to do that. We're going to have a little bit of orange juice on the inside. We're going to have a little bit of orange zest on the outside. So we still do that. You might think that's a little bit overboard, but I always find a Negroni to be quite a bitter drink. I mean, obviously it's bitter as an aperitif, but for me, whatever you can do to kind of go against that works out. I'm not a big bitter fan, to be honest. And that's nice. I think doing the cheek of orange, still very bitter. Campari is a very bitter thing. Yeah, it's a sipper. Do you know what? I think if instead of the Campari, we put some Aperol in there. The Aperol's a lot sweeter, it's less bitter. You all know it from your spritzes. It's having a little bit of a moment, really, isn't it? So we'll see if we can make a Negroni with it. It's not going to be an official Negroni. Right. There's no tradition here. There's no rules at Cocktail Club. We're just going to do whatever we want. Single of crap gin. Gonna make a mess. Put another orange cheek. They look the same. Have a wee taste. And that's better for me. This completely comes down to taste, knocking the bitterness back a little bit. It's a bit sweet now. I'd maybe put a little bit less Cinzano in there, whatever. And I'm making these drinks as 1-1-1s. You can do a 2-1-1 Negroni. It has a bit more gin in it. Maybe you do that if you had nice gin that you want to taste. But that's kind of it. So, see you next time. Cheers. Guys, if you've enjoyed this video, if you found it useful, and I'll see you for the next one. Cheers.